Hi, my name is Amita Mittal, and today is my topic of the significance of the computer science in modern education. So I have a think about the topic about. Did you know that the computer science is the job are projected by the grow 16% in the next decades, and the one of the faster growing career in the computer science, and if I'm going about the students, the computer science students will be, I have to research the to the how the computer science's impact on the students' modern education, and I want to be discussed about how the computer sciences benefit in the modern education. And so I will be covered the computer science, the three topics related about the foster critical thinking, enhancing problem solving skills, and the prepare future career in the digital age right now. So I have the things about it. Because the computer science is really important and is impact in the right now the modern education. If we know that every day, because we're living in our daily digital life, and every day we use our kids, we all everybody to working on the digital. Without digital, the these things we cannot be live. Our kids wanted the computers, so they cannot be without computer, they cannot be do the study or something. Everything we need it. Without technology is not be possible. So my first topic is we go to be a foster critical thinking. I put it The foster critical thinking is be the working of about the children will be analyzing, they will be evaluate and also synthesizing that program, and the information they will be like a well-reasoned judgmental and take the decisions by self. Why? Because they thinking critical, because they're working on it. I put it the example on here that if you see the picture, this is the I pick up from the code.org, because my daughter is still working on that programming and she's starting. So as a game wise, she started to go how many steps they go to be forward, how many steps they go to be backward, the left or right. So these coding exercise, they thinking about the critical thinking. So they put it like an algorithm development. So these things they will be think independently and they're working on independently, and the creator the algorithm is in the small. So means they can be working on the very small steps to analyzing how many steps they want to be moved, how many steps they want to go back. So they get out the solution by itself. So that is the best way to do the coding exercising, and they build up our own algorithm development. So if I'm going to be the stuff how it is be impacted, so they can be performed, they perform every day. If they're working on it, they learn more things. They because of practice make you more work, never be a perfect, but you be a more perfect, also you're working on hard. So I'm saying so they can be increase the solving a problem solving skills, they increase the critical thinking. So they're working every day and adapting the daily routine, daily changing worlds to life changing world. Then I have to gonna go to the enhancing problem solving skills. This is again I'm working on it. I put in my daughter's picture when she working on her project and stuff, and we working on the real world application. If I'm say these kind of the problems, students will be navigated one real application. So they not be think about it as the very early age, the CEO is becomes and that's it. But they're working on a real way. Like suppose they want to be working on a games, they want to try on a mobile apps games, they want to working on the like create other game of the video games, see anything. So they know how they want to be working on it, so how they want to be rebuilt. Right now there's a lot of games, I'm say the Roblox. The kids want to be go to the coding, why the stuff. They want to be know the TikTok, they know the Facebook, how do they use it, they knows everything. So they can be how to using these application, even the shopping and all stuff. So how they want to make a one shopping cart, then they how do they want to order. So these all real world application which one they still working on it, and they are not be as too old, and they are just very young age, so they working starting on this age. So the thinking, I'm just saying wanna be how they work real world application. So there I know that my daughter created one the application where she wanna be create a the application can draw the different colors and they make it the images like stuff. So they created the own different apps if you see, and then they create go to be designing herself whatever she wanted to create and stuff, and then she want to be teamwork within her teacher and the project, and is we not only the teamwork with her teacher, even the teamwork with her the classmates and others, so she can be starting to ability to learn. If I'm going to be my phone and I want to be show to you how she can be working on it, like this is the her application work. Like, I don't know if we can see if it is choosing a black color is working on there the black the I don't know how I can be work, but is the go to be the mobile. This is creating on the computer, but it's be working on the project on the phone. So it's be creating on a mobile apps work. So I'm saying like a key the create designing the Avon styling. Avon is not be like a ready to buy sell, so they think design it how they want it, what they want to do, because everybody think uniquely. Then I'm saying that like the situations according to the problems they can be solved whatever they want it, what kind of the things they want. Then the teamwork, they learning a teamwork skills, not like a one people can work it, they working on a teamwork. If they have the multiple tasks or they how they want to use, so they working on the teamwork. And the coding project say, so they can be using the software application, what requirement they wanted, like how much hardware, like a hardware specification, what is they needed, what is their software requirement, what things. So they're working every single step so they can be learned. So how they want to solve it. And that's main step things like they can increase the creative thinking. They not be ready-made to learn about everything. No, they create by self and they solve by self. So this is a really thing good for it to early age. Then I'm saying the last, preparing a future career. Preparing future career, if I'm saying like about this time is the job market is experience a substantial of demand for the computer science passionate professionals. If we see is a computer science is always is in a high demand. High demand, why? Because every few years later comes something new technology and new working on it. If I'm saying as a kindergartner to 12th grade, they know about the STEM program, how to working on. STEM program means science, technology, education, engineering, and mathematics program. So they're working on, they know the science experiments, they're working on the engineering tool to make it the Lego builder, the Lego robotics game, they're working on the mathematician, they use the technology, and these all stuff, they make combine it to working on it to think about the future. But the now coding profession, like a future career. Recently, if we everybody knows that is the AI time, means artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence take a step for everywhere. The kids knows that artificial intelligence the next 10 to 15 years it becomes in each department. Recently, I researching my another one more topic. AI is be really helpful for the healthcare department. The reason of it because the AI, when we doctors write the prescription, whatever they wanted, the MRI, X-ray, whatever they do. So when the AI is working in a healthcare, so they have the all data is in the one place. It's not key. They check it the patient and getting a whole information. What is the root of the cause? What is the happen? Every single thing. So they have to the lot of the future career option. Other thing, if I'm giving example about the future career, they have a if I'm going to be, they have another like a the coins, the digital currency. So AI time, digital, every single steps go by the technology. Never be like a working is like be handling stuff. It is still is in a handling, but it's everything related for the coding, is the proficiency, technology. Without this stuff is not be possible. And in the last, if I'm gonna go to say like equity, equity is the most important in the future career, because they never be computer science promote equal opportunity to all, women's, men's, everyone is the equal opportunity. Plus, they are not be irrespective of their backgrounds, which backgrounds they are comes from. They are be giving a respect to all backgrounds. Like I said, they have Hispanic, they have this Black, they have the Asian, whatever is come. They wanted only the experience, not experience, professions is in a coding. They want to be learned, they prepared. If they have to build something, they want to be have to something, they are get it the stuff. It's not be like okay, they cannot be, they can. Everybody have a career in a computer science. And if I'm saying about myself, I am too. I was working in before 10 years early. I was not be working. I was working in my country, and I was working in the engineering college. But after that, I'm moving in USA. I didn't get a chance to working on, but I'm start in a public school working. But my aim is that I want to people teach to the students more. So they can be learning about the computer science, how they can be go. And now is the time is totally changed. It's like our time, I would say, if we learning is in the high school to getting a computer, what is the career? But now the kids starting on the kindergarten to starting the technology, what is the thing? So it's be so much different. So it's be, I feel like the preparing future career, they have a big good opportunity to gain new skills, proficiency, tech literacy, every stuff. So if you have any other questions, you guys can be tell me what is the any questions, yeah, anything. I will be let you know that the reply back. And if it's something need more, I definitely let you know. Thank you very much. If you like in my video, please tell me and giving a comment about. Thank you.